Yeah, so today I'm going to teach you how to install Kali using the ISO. So first off, you need the ISO. So you can download it from their site by clicking it here, or you can use torrent, or you can use Linux. You can use this command, which speeds up your download faster. Yeah, as you can see, I just did it. Yeah. Uh, and yeah, so I'm going to use VMware to install it. You can download uh, VMware by going to their website, clicking downloads, and download for Windows 10. Yeah, I already installed it, so no need. So so when you finish installing, they will ask you for a product key. You can just search this in Google, and you can just uh let's let's wait for it. You just try one of the keys and it will work. It works for me, so yeah. Okay, after doing that, you see this. So you create new virtual machine. Typical you select the ISO. For me, it's in VM. Oh no, it's downloads. Yeah. Next, Linux. Yep. Call it Kali Linux. I want to change my location. I have a VMware Kali Linux. Yeah. Uh, for me, I put 60 because I got enough space, and I'll be using it as my main Kali. And from there, I like to set 8 gigs, and let me set 4. Yeah. So you click finish. Start. Okay, and just click install. Okay, I live in Singapore, US. So right now it's finding an IP address from my THCP server. So it will take a while. Okay, I'm just going to name my VM just Kali. Kali will do. Yep. Uh Kali root. Yeah, that's my password. So I want to use my whole disk for it. My whole 60 gigs that I allocated it. Okay, finish. Yep. So for me, I like GNOME, so I'm just gonna use that. And I like to have everything installed, every tools. So it will take a while, but yeah, it's my main Kali VM. So yeah, yeah. So after doing that, you can just click continue, and the system will restart. Just click enter to select the first option, and voila. So just put in full screen, pin my password. Yeah, and done. So yeah, so after installing, you can uh update packet manager by typing sudo apt update and just upgrade. So you do this thing and voila, it's done. Yeah, so thank you for watching.